In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account name on Steam Desktop. A quick note before we begin. On Steam, the name your friends see is called your profile name or display name. That's what we're updating here. Your actual login account name is permanent and can't be changed, but your profile name can be updated anytime. Start by opening the Steam Desktop app on your computer. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your profile settings. Once Steam is open, look to the top right of the window for your profile button. It'll show your avatar and current display name. Click that to open your profile menu. From the drop-down, select View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can see how your profile appears to others. On this page, find and click Edit Profile. This opens the editing panel where you can change various profile details. At the top of the Edit panel, you'll see the field for your profile name. Click into that box and type the new name you want to use. Keep it simple, recognizable, and within Steam's rules. If you're part of groups or play with friends often, choose something they'll easily identify. Avoid sharing personal information in your name, and remember that this is visible across your friends list, chat, and many in-game overlays. After entering your new profile name, review it for spelling and clarity. If you use special characters or emojis, note that not every game or overlay will display them the same way. When you're happy with your choice, click Save. Steam will apply your changes right away. You should see your new profile name appear at the top of your profile and in the client's top right corner. If it doesn't update instantly in chat or friends lists, give it a moment or switch tabs to refresh. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Steam profile name on desktop. Thanks for watching and enjoy showing off your updated name in your next gaming session.